Welcome to a world of flavor and aroma, where spices tell stories of culture and tradition. Today, we embark on an exploration of the vibrant world of spices, each with its unique origin and tale. From the fiery heat of chili peppers to the warm embrace of cinnamon, spices have been cherished for centuries, not just for their taste, but for their cultural significance. Let's begin our journey with turmeric, a golden spice revered in Indian cuisine and Ayurvedic medicine. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is a staple in curries and a symbol of health and vitality. Next, we travel to the Middle East, where sumac adds a tangy zest to dishes, a testament to the region's rich culinary heritage. In the kitchens of Mexico, cumin seeds are a must-have, infusing dishes with a warm, earthy flavor that speaks to the heart of Mexican cooking. Meanwhile, saffron, the world's most expensive spice, graces dishes with its delicate aroma and vibrant color, a luxury cultivated in the fields of Iran and Spain. Spices are more than just ingredients. They are a bridge to understanding cultures and traditions. They enhance our meals and enrich our lives, offering health benefits that have been celebrated for generations. As we conclude our journey, remember that each spice is a passport to a new culinary adventure, inviting you to explore and appreciate the diverse tapestry of flavors that the world has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful exploration. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary insights and spice up your cooking with the wonders of the world.